SentinelOne Security Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think antivirus software is enough, but you won't believe what happens next when modern cyber attacks hit systems without advanced protection. SentinelOne is an enterprise-grade cybersecurity platform designed to stop malware, ransomware, and hacking attempts in real time. Unlike traditional antivirus programs that rely mainly on known virus lists, SentinelOne uses artificial intelligence to detect suspicious behavior instantly. The biggest strength is automation. When a threat appears, SentinelOne can isolate the device, stop the attack, and even roll back damaged files without waiting for human approval. This is critical for businesses that cannot afford downtime. Most people get this wrong. They assume SentinelOne is only for big corporations. In reality, it is also used by small and medium-sized businesses that want enterprise-level protection. However, SentinelOne is not beginner-friendly. Setup and management require technical knowledge. It is not designed for casual home users who just want a simple antivirus app. Pricing is also higher than consumer antivirus tools, but businesses often find it cheaper than recovering from a ransomware attack, which can cost thousands or even millions of dollars. SentinelOne is best for companies, IT teams, and organizations that need serious protection and fast response. The surprising truth is that cybersecurity is not about if you will be attacked, but when. SentinelOne is built for that reality. Subscribe for more honest software reviews that protect your data and your business.